Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone model and that iOS supports macro control. This matters because older builds auto-switch. Once confirmed, open camera in photo mode and move close to your subject so the lens would normally trigger macro. Make sure you can see the chevron or arrow above the shutter. Tap it to expose extra settings. You're taking control now instead of letting the phone decide, which prevents unwanted macro switching during the next steps. Next, disable automatic macro switching by using the macro icon in camera. Tap the flower symbol to force it off. You'll notice the focus and exposure stabilize differently. If the icon doesn't appear, open Settings, choose Camera, and enable macro control so the icon shows an app. Then practice. Move toward and away from the subject while tapping the icon to keep macro off. This gives you predictable focus and avoids sudden close focus change. To finalize, lock focus and exposure with a long press, AE/AF lock, so the camera won't hunt when you reframe. This ensures consistent shots without macro interruptions. If macro still activates unexpectedly, quit camera and relaunch or toggle macro control off and on in settings to reset the in-app icon behavior. Make sure your iOS is up to date. If problems persist, reset camera settings or restart the phone. One key tip: restart camera before deeper resets to avoid unnecessary changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.